So on this page, activity 3.2, they want us to, on questions 1 and 2, determine if each line is perpendicular. And then on question 2, write the equation of a line. So we're going to kind of do questions 1 and 2 at the same time for these 6 lines. Okay, let's look at letter A. A and A prime. Find me 2 nice points and calculate the slope. So I'm going to go up and over. I went up 2, right 2. So for A, its slope is 2 over 2, which is 1. For A prime, pick 2 nice points. I'm going to go here and here. Now here I went down 1, 2, 3. I went right 1, 2, 3. And for the A prime slope, I get negative 3 over 3, which is negative 1. And that 1 and negative 1, that is again that negative reciprocal that I'm going to be on the hunt for. Because if I see that, that means we do have perpendicular lines. Now I'm going to write the equation for that. To write the equation for those two, y equals mx plus b. I need to know what the slope is. Well, in letter A, I do. The slope is 1. I need to know what the y-intercept is. The y-intercept is where the graph crosses the y-axis at, which is right there at 0. I clean that up, and the equation for graph A is y equals x. I'm going to do the same thing now for A prime. I know the slope is negative 1. We found that. And that is also crossing through the origin. And so when I clean that up, that is y equals negative x. Oops, wrong location. Y equals negative x for A prime. Okay, so let's do that again on the one to the right for B and B prime. Calculate me my slope. Find 2 nice points. And so I'm going up 2 and to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So B is rise over run. And B prime, do that. Find me 2 nice points. I'm going to use that nice point here, and I'm going to use this nice point way down here. I'm going down, okay? I'm going down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and right 1, 2, and 3. Rise over run. And when I calculate the slopes of B and B prime, I see that they are those negative reciprocals. So that means they are perpendicular. The equation for B is 1/3 x. Where is B crossing the y-axis at? Right there, that is my y-intercept, and that is at 5. B prime is negative 3x. Where it's crossing the y-axis at is also 5. And those are my 2 equations then. Repeat that for C. Okay, on C, nice point, do your slope, down 2, 1, 2, 3. So C's slope is negative 2/3. C prime, find me nice points. There's a nice point, there's a nice point. Down 1, 2, 3. Right 2. Rise over run. 2 negatives make a positive. So I get 3 halves. All right, there's my negative reciprocals again. Negative 2/3 and 3 halves. So negative 2/3 x plus something. Hold on.
Hey, Mr. Bell.
Hey, how are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Hey, I'm doing well. Hey,